Hi, I'm Teacher Peng. I love helping kids learn math in a fun, easy. I create a happy and friendly learning environment where students feel confident and comfortable. And I have a 3 years of teaching experience with grade 1 to grade 3 students and both online and face-to-face classes. I adjust my teaching style based on each student needs and learning phase to make a lesson fun in my classes. I use ebooks and digital learning materials with pictures. Book with me now and let's make math fun and easy together. Thank you.